helping verb. Form, regular verbs, verb plus ed, regular special form, special, ano daw, no helping verb. Use with helping verbs. Okay. Form, to form perfect tenses, use in passive voice. It's even comfy. Thank you. Thank you. Productive naman. Kaya nga tinatanong ko, Kuya Mike, di naman kita ginajudge. Sinabi ko lang naman, sinabi mo na din yan 3 years ago, di nasa sa'yo kung ano yung sagot mo sa akin. Ano yung naging pagiging productive mo ngayong year? Regular verbs, ed, same as simple past. Regular verbs, often different from simple past. Examples. Perfect tense, I have eaten, she has finished, they had gone. The food was eaten quickly. The homework has been finished. Used alone, used with have, has, had. Tells when something happened. Focuses on result or experience. Okay. If the sentence has have, has, had, you need the past participle, not the simple past. Have ate. Hindi siya pwede. Dapat have eaten. Okay. If you want, I can give eh. Alright. Yan pala yan. Malapit na ako sa credit life. Papunta na ako sa more money life. Go, Kuya Mike. Bakit? Madami kang credits. Madami ka bang debt? Na, Kuya Mike. Wait. Exercise 4. Paano mo nabayaran? Wala ka mang work. Bakit ka ba nagka-work? Nagka-work. Ba't ka ba answers only, sabi ko. Bobo mo. I've read. You've used. Muntik ko pa makalimutan. Yun dapat pala, hindi ka ganun magpinto. Hindi ko pa makalimutan. So, ito naman ng mga mag-invest ako din, Kuya Mike. Madami akong you've used. Dami akong ganun eh. Have you done anything? Have you done anything? Have you? Fill the blanks or present perfect verbs. You can use one verb more than once. Make a contraction with have or has where possible. Have you done? Mhm. Has your friend been? Has your friend been careful with life? Been? Larry Page. Mas no one. Eh? Ito na nga lang. Yun na yung answers lang. Exercise 4. Bye-bye! Pao. Pao. Exercise. Yung lagi lang nasa live ko, itong si ML. Ang pangalan nito? Laba! Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Ito. Laging nasa live ko to. Kaya yun. Taga Viet. Vietnam ba yun? About you. About you. Instead of perfect, and you take yourself and answering your question to the partners level. Share what you learned with your class. Has internet security been a problem for you? Which music apps have you used? Have you tried? Hindi ko parang alam to. Jason, hello Jason.